Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. What if I told you this isn't just a truck? It's a luxury hotel on wheels. This is the 2026 STX Mercedes Actros Motorhome, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. Built for those who live large and travel bigger, this motorhome takes comfort, power, and technology to the highest level. From the outside, it looks like a premium long-haul truck, but the real magic happens once you step inside. The moment the side extensions slide out, you're no longer in a truck. You're in a luxury suite. The living room feels like something out of a 5-star hotel. Plush leather couches, a giant 4K smart TV, high-end sound system, and mood lighting built into the ceiling. Everything is remote-controlled, smooth, and seamless. Move into the kitchen and it gets even better. You've got a full-size fridge, a modern oven, an induction cooktop, a deep ceramic sink, and beautiful black and gold cabinetry. There's even a built-in wine cooler. Yes, a wine cooler in a truck. The bathroom? Let's just say it's nicer than most homes. Full walk-in shower, gold-accented fixtures, LED lighting around the mirrors, and marble-look walls. It's pure class. Now step into the bedroom, and you're greeted with a luxurious king-size bed, premium bedding, soft ambient lighting, and smart storage built all around. There's even a private smart TV and touchscreen controls for lights, temperature, and entertainment. And don't forget the rear garage space. It can hold motorbikes, an ATV, or even a small sports car. That's right. This motorhome can carry another vehicle inside it. Underneath it all is the Mercedes Actros chassis, strong, reliable, and smooth. With a Euro 6 engine, air suspension, advanced driving systems, and unmatched power, this beast handles like a dream. This isn't just transport, it's a mobile lifestyle built for millionaires, celebrities, and motorsport elites, starting at around $2 million and going up depending on the custom features. The 2026 STX Actros isn't for everyone, but for those who can afford it, it's the ultimate way to live on the move. If this didn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more epic luxury vehicle content. Thanks for watching.